Hi everyone, I'm going to unbox the new Just Dance 2022! Yeah, it's out! So, let's see, here is the Xbox One and Xbox Series X, and yeah, I'm so excited to play it and with my Xbox One. And yeah, I have the iKinect, so if you don't have the Kinect, you can play with the smartphone. And I hope in the future we will see some small controller from Just Dance, because play with phone it's like I'm throwing everywhere my phone, and yeah, and it's heavy. So oh my god, it's heavy, the phone. So my phone it's heavy. So I can tell you how frustrated it is to play with phone. So let's go into the Just Dance unboxing. So let's go. Let's open the Just Dance 2022 for Xbox, and let's open. I'm so excited for it. Oh, oh my god. I can open. I can open now. So I have to take something to cut this. Oh, I mean, this is anti thief, anti, yeah. Oh my god. So, oh, I did it. So yeah, let's see. I'm so excited to play, and I can't wait to play around the world dance. So I just love the Queen Bee, Beyonce. So she is, oh my god, she is one of the best dancer, I think. So yeah, let's see. Here is the Just Dance 22. Here is, and here's the back, and let's open. And here is the inside, and this is the desk of the Just Dance here. Yeah, look how this is the back. It's just green color. So yeah. And what's this? Oh, okay. Mine it's Italian version. So yeah. Okay, this is just about just the unlimited, and yeah, that it tell you how to play. So you play with your phone, yeah, and here is how you play. Some stuff that there are some songs here with unlimited, and yeah, it's about just this unlimited and phone. So yeah, I would suggest that playing with phone it's not fun at all, because it's heavy, and it doesn't feel right to dance. So the best way to dance is Connect and Joy-Con from Nintendo Switch, and I have the PlayStation 4, the twins, and I can tell you that it's amazing. So if you don't have the Switch, and you have PlayStation, just buy the twins. It's really cool to play with it. Or the camera. The camera is kind of bad, because it takes you it doesn't detect you well like Xbox Connect. So I hope you like the video and the long unboxing. I know you guys might want a short unboxing, but I feel like I have to do a long video because I'm so excited to play with it. And yes, and happy Just Dance 2022. And I have my own Instagram. It's Kuro J Wu. And just follow me, write me, and we can dance together on dance floor. Woo! Yeah. And sometimes I like to play on Just Dance now. It's my dog. It's a bit crazy. My dog sometimes. So say hi. Okay. Oh, and now I'm looking crazy. So I'm not crazy. So see you on the next video. And if you like this video, just click like and write me. Bye.